And this is Kelsey doing a front flip. Ooh, fancy. This is Kelsey doing a front handspring. Ooh, fancy. This is Kelsey doing a front walkover. This is Kelsey doing a back walkover. This is Kelsey doing a cartwheel.
Aerial.
This is Kelsey doing an aerial. Attempting to do an aerial.
Gonna fall off the trampoline.
She's gonna fall off the trampoline, but that's okay.
1, 2, 3, and... No.
No. She sucks too much.